What else? Are you gonna keep being chatty? What else do you want to say? Other than chew on your finger. Really sucking. Yeah. Happy New Year to you. Oh yeah? Oh, you're putting that hand straight in your mouth. Happy New Year, and guess what? Happy 3-month birthday. What else? Yes. Yeah? You're 3 months old today. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? Yes.
Yeah, that's a good comment to make.
We think so too.
That's a good comment to make.
We think so too. Yeah. What else do you want to say, Days?
Anything else?
You just want to suck on that hand? Oh. Okay. Yeah, me too. Yeah. What else? Yeah? How do you do? How do you do? We forgot to snap the onesie. We meaning Ryan. What else? What else? Happy. So happy. Okay, enough with the camera. Yeah, I think we're done. Are we done? Are we done? What's your final send off?
That's a cute face. That's a cute face.
Bye bye. Okay. Bye.